Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into the IK Foam Pro 2 with the P&S Brake Buster. This is supposed to be an amazing product, very safe, and it also has rust inhibitors, so that's amazing. The other thing is, since it's very safe, it's not an acid-based where acid-based cleaners can damage wheels, as well as it's very toxic. So this is supposed to be a very safe and very effective way of cleaning wheels and tires. This is safe on both wheels and tires, and the great thing about it is it foams, so you can use it in a foam cannon, foam sprayer like the IK Foam Pro 2, or you can just use it in a normal spray bottle with a brush, agitate it, and it'll foam up. So today we're going to be going into the use of the IK Foam Pro 2. This is made in Europe, or more specifically Spain. I also have the Multi Pro 2, so if you haven't seen that or looking for a review, I also have a video on that, so check that out. This does have a useful capacity of 50 ounces. It's got a very large mouth, it's got pressure release. It's very useful, not just for automotive detailing, but many other things as well. You're going to get an instruction manual with it. If you order it through the rag company, you're going to get a little rag as well as a decal, which I have on my bottle. I also have Brake Buster labeled on here because I have more than one bottle. So this has a cap on the handle that holds your extra tips, just in case you want to swap out this your desired foam type. It's got a safety here to prevent you from spraying. This is very well built. It feels really good quality. You got the pressure release right here. You just pull up on that, and it's got an upgraded base compared to the first model and a larger capacity. So this has got the tip that comes installed in it already, and I have Brake Buster mixed 5-to-1 because that's another great thing about the double black Rennie Doyle collection Brake Buster. So it cleans and brightens wheels, and it's a non-acid cleaner like I stated. Removes accumulated brake dust, oil, dirt, stains, light corrosion. It has that rust inhibitor, and it's very easy to use. So like I was saying, I want to say I paid around $20 or $25 for the whole gallon, and you can dilute it down so you can save even more money. So it's a pretty amazing product. So we're going to be testing it out on this wheel and tire, and I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions on the IK Foam Pro 2 or the Brake Buster, please drop it down in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Bring you in for a close-up look at the wheel before I pressure wash it down and start using the foamer and P&S. Alright, so we have it all rinsed down. Now we're going to use the foamer and P&S Brake Buster. Alright, so here we go. So I was about to get pretty upset because of all the good things I've heard about this, and I was getting really thick foam, even with this diluted 5-to-1, so I was a little confused. Realized I didn't have it screwed on all the way, and I didn't actually have the pressure built up to where the pressure relief valve will actually pop up. And I'm guessing since I just initially started using it, I haven't used it before, that it took a little bit extra to get this thing pumped up. So it is full now. So now we're going to go ahead and apply this, and hopefully we get a little bit better foam than we did, because that would take a lot of pumping and a lot of work. So let's get this done. Now that's what I'm talking about. So we'll see how many pumps it takes to lift the valve back up. So 25 and it started hissing at me. So we'll see how long it lasts now. And I'm not gonna fast forward this part. We're just gonna see how long it lasts. So that's basically it. I kind of like how, I mean, I wish it would last a little bit longer as far as pressurized, but it is a small container, and you are shooting foam through it, so it's not going to last quite as long as just a straight liquid. But it works fantastically, as you can tell, as far as the foaming process, and it's really pulling up that dirt and debris, brake dust, oil, contaminants, and everything into the foam, and it's pulling it down off the wheel, as you can see it running off of the valve stem cap area here. And then I kind of like when it fades out at the end. I've already got the entire wheel covered, so I can really get in between the spokes with that thinner stream, get some brake buster in the back as well as the lug nut area, as you saw that I sprayed. Now I'm just going to hit the wheel well a little bit. Also keep in mind that you don't have to agitate. If the wheels aren't very soiled, like this one wasn't, you can simply just rinse it off after letting it soak and pull up all that dirt, or you can go in and agitate it with a brush. Either way. Also, once again, all of these products are going to be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested, so please let me know your guys' thoughts. Okay, so here it is, all rinsed off, wheel well, wheel and tire. And it is looking amazing. And as you guys could already tell, that this stuff foams up like crazy. I still got some soap up in here I'll get rid of. But this stuff works great. It foams up like crazy. It really pulls that dirt and debris off. This is definitely going to be my go-to. The only downside being is, since it's a foam, you basically will have to pump this up once per tire, possibly twice per tire, just because it is a thicker fluid and takes a little bit more pressure to get that foam out and on everything. So roughly 15 to 25 pumps to get this thing back up to pop the pressure relief, and then you're good to go. As you can see, once I actually got this thing set up right, it produced foam like crazy. So there it is. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Also, don't forget P&S Brake Buster, an amazing product, rust inhibitors, and very safe, non-acid, not toxic, so you're not going to be breathing that in, destroying your lungs. So great couple of products. Stay tuned for a full exterior wash and a full interior wash, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts or what you use, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.